So friends, let's learn the amazing Chrome shortcut keys. So let's open Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, you can download it easily from the given link in the description box. And let's get into the video. Shortcut key number first is to select, that is Control A. If you want to select the whole text of your website, then just press Control A. Your whole text will be select, means full website, whatever text are given will be selected. This is useful while browsing or if you are searching something, okay, and you want to select your search, then just press Control A, your search will be selected. Shortcut key number second is Control C, is to copy. If you want to copy your search or any information in a paragraph, for example, I want to copy this text, then just press Control C. Your text will be copied in your clipboard. Shortcut key number third is Control D. If you want to bookmark any tab or any website, then just press Control D. You will receive a dialog box. Here you have to give the name, and as you will click on the done, your tab will be bookmark. You can see here. Now the tab is here, it's bookmark. Okay. Shortcut key number fourth is to find, that is Control F. If you want to search in your website, then just press Control F and search whatever you want to search. Your search result will be there. Here you can see, as I type basic, there are 19 basics in this website. So by this help you can search in your website, which is very helpful to you. Next is Control H, which is for history. If you have searched something and you want that back, then just press Control H. Your history will be open. Here you can see my history. No need to go on this three icon, then click on the history. No, that is long process. You can directly press Control H for history. Our next shortcut key, which is number 6, is Control J. If you want to know the download status of the material software which you are downloading, how much it is download, then just press Control J. Your download folder of the Chrome will be open. Here you can see I am not downloading anything there, that's why here is nothing displayed. If you have downloaded anything, then this will be displayed here and you can know the status of your download, or you can cancel it from here easily. Next is Control K, that is for search. If you have opened a new tab, okay, and you want to jump here, so without clicking of your mouse you have to just press Control K. Now you can directly search on Google. Okay, I think you understand it. Our next shortcut key is Control N. If you want a new workbook of Chrome, then just press Control N. Your new workbook will open. Our next shortcut key is Control O. As you will press, you can directly drag and drop the files which you want to visit. Okay, if you want any file which is on the desktop like PDF or any programming files, you can directly just drag and drop, your file will be automatically open. By help of this you can do this. Our next shortcut key is Control P. If you want to print your page or any PDF, then just press Control P. You will receive a dialog box for the print. As you can see, it's appear. Now you can print this page. Preview will be also available. You can print it. Many options are there according to your need. You can do this. Our next shortcut key is Control R. If you want to reload your website, then no need to click here. You can directly press Control R. Your website will be reload easily. Our next shortcut key is Control T, which is for new tab. If you want a new tab, then no need to click here. You can directly press Control T. Let's see this work in our another Chrome. This will definitely work. You have to just press Control T. Your new tab will be open. Our next shortcut key is Control U. If you want to view the page source of any website, then just press Control U. The all coding which is used in this website you will in front of you and you can read it easily. Before this you were doing like this, right click and then you have to click here view page source. This take a long process. Our next shortcut key is Ctrl V, which is for paste. If you have searched something, then Ctrl C, and if you want to paste that same thing on the another tab, then just go to the tab, go on the search and just press Ctrl V, and as you will enter, your search will go. This were the 15 basic shortcut keys. If some shortcut key were new for you, then please comment, and also which shortcut key you like more. In our next part we are going to bring some advanced level shortcut key which will help you more. Also friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment for more videos. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos notification. We have uploaded many videos, and the link for that Windows key video is given in the description and also in the I button. You can get it from there also. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next video.